I'm uploading this video again, which will have my new hill grade percentage estimates. I went to the hill that's listed on number 10, Broadway above Taylor. This is listed as 3.1% grade. When I visited that hill, I compared that hill to the hills that my REV1 and I climbed yesterday in this video. So my new hill grade percentage range is 15%, which is the beginning hill in this video, to 27%, which is the end of the hill in this video. My REV1 is factory setting class 2, PAS 0, and I am not using any leg power. I am relying 100% on REV1's power. So that's what I list as 100% throttle. And the REV1 did very well climbing these hills on its own power. During this hill climb, the REV1 vacillated between 7 miles per hour to 9.8 miles per hour up this hill. And once again, no leg power from me. This was 100% throttle power from the REV1. The next hill coming up was a lot steeper, and the REV1 averaged between 6 miles per hour to about 6.8, 6.9 miles per hour. So this is the final hill coming up, and I estimate the grade on this hill to be anywhere from 2.5% to 2.7% based on my comparison with the Broadway Taylor Hill that's listed as 3.1%. And during this climb, the REV1, the speed on the REV1, as far as I recall, was somewhere in the neighborhood of 5.5 miles per hour to 6.3 miles per hour. Once again, I'm not using any leg power. I am relying 100% on the REV1's engine to get me up this hill, and it did very well. I'm very pleased with the results. I'm very pleased with the performance of the REV1. So let's swing back so I can show you the travel path of the REV1 and the steepness of the hills. As you can see, these hills are pretty steep, and the REV1 climbed all these hills with its own power. I did not have any leg input to help the REV1 up these hills. Did a great job. I want to do a hill climb on the Broadway Taylor Hill that I mentioned earlier in this video. So let's go ahead and swing back home, and I will show you the Broadway Taylor Hill that I want to try the REV1 out to see if it can climb on its own power without any leg input from me. This is the aforementioned Broadway Taylor Hill, and this is the way a 3.1% grade hill looks like in San Francisco. This is also the location that I do my HIIT. I run up on the left staircase as fast as I can, and I recover on the right staircase going down. I do this about 20 cycles, and I do this before my tennis and after my tennis on a daily basis.